Once upon a time, in a quaint village near a mystic forest, lived a young boy named Finn.
Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to make money in creating 3D animation AI story. Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Today, we are going to show you how to create stunning 3D animations using free tools and ChatGPT and start earning money today. Many content creators, such as the Masha and the Bear YouTube channel, have made millions of dollars by creating 3D animation stories. First things first, we should have a story, and one of our favorites is ChatGPT from OpenAI. It is super user-friendly and will help us write a unique narrative. If you are interested in gaining knowledge about the most current AI tools and mastering their efficient application, this channel is an excellent fit for your needs. We provide user-friendly tutorials and ensure you stay informed. Remember to please hit the subscribe button. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now, let us get started. To begin, please navigate to the ChatGPT website. Now, let's dive into the exciting part of this process, creating your narrative. It is crucial to provide a clear and specific prompt to guide ChatGPT in generating your story. For the purpose of our video, we have chosen an engaging topic, crafting an entirely unique tale about a young boy embarking on a solitary journey through a mysterious forest. Simply input this prompt into the designated text box and hit enter. It is worth noting that you have the flexibility to edit and customize the story according to your preferences, allowing you to add your own distinctive touch, which is what truly sets your content apart. After you have successfully generated your narrative, the next step involves finding suitable images to accompany it. We will harness the power of ChatGPT to propose images that complement each scene, ensuring that they are not only visually appealing but also captivating, making them a perfect fit for your upcoming animated YouTube video. Just press enter and in an instant, you will receive image suggestions for each scene, helping you bring your narrative to life with a visual feast that is bound to engage your audience. For the image creation process, we will utilize the capabilities of Leonardo AI. Opt for 3D animation style and select your preferred aspect ratio, with 16:9 being our recommended choice. Now, return to the image suggestions provided by ChatGPT. Copy the description of the initial scene, paste it into the image generation interface, and include any specific instructions you have in mind. Simply click the Generate button, and within a few moments, your image will materialize. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments, and when you are satisfied, click Download. Repeat the procedure for each scene. Moving on to the animation phase, we will bring those images to life using Pika Labs. Begin by visiting the Pika Labs website and enrolling in the beta program. Then, navigate to the Creation section and choose the Generate option. Input your instructions, which can involve uploading or animating the image, and select from a variety of available animation styles. Once you are content with the result, proceed to download the video to your computer for the final touch. Next, we will need a voice for our story. While there are many options, we recommend using 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs, then choose a voice over voice, and then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the story and paste it into 11 Labs. Click on Generate. It may take a few seconds, and after that, click on Export to download the voiceover. Finally, let us edit our story. We will use CapCut, a free mobile video editing app and software. Import your video clips and photos. Add transitions, text, stickers, filters, and effects. Preview your video and then export it with your desired resolution and quality. And there you have it. You have created a stunning 3D animation with ChatGPT and turned your creativity into a money-making venture. I am really looking forward to hearing what you think. Are you considering launching your own YouTube channel in the near future? Once you have given it a try, kindly express your thoughts and insights in the comments section. I am genuinely thrilled to learn about your experiences.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village near a mystic forest, lived a young boy named Finn. His insatiable curiosity led him to embark on a solitary journey into the heart of the enigmatic woods, known only in hushed whispers among the villagers. With nothing but a satchel, a map of his own making, and unwavering determination, Finn set forth into the uncharted depths.
Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.